Background noise or background hiss, call it as you like, but that's probably the most annoying and most common problem when you record a video. And it doesn't matter how good is your microphone, you're always gonna end up with some background noise or background hiss. My name is Lekov, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove this annoying background noise or hiss in your videos by using Adobe Premiere Pro. So enough talking, let's go straight to my laptop. Inside Premiere Pro, I'll be using the intro for this video, and I will also use the raw audio. So I can show you that there is a lot of background noise and a lot of background hiss going on behind the scenes. But before I remove it, I will play the video so you can hear it. Background noise or background hiss, call it as you like. And straight away you can hear that annoying background hiss or noise, and it's difficult to avoid. So let's go and remove it. There is two ways to use the denoise effect. The first one is by going over there, click on the little arrows there and go down to effects, click on it. And after that, I'm gonna type denoise and grab the denoise effects and apply it to the audio track. It's really difficult, isn't it? It's so difficult. After that, I'm gonna go up to the effect control panel, scroll down to denoise, click on it. Then I'll click on edits, and this graph will show up in front of you. From presets, I recommend you to leave it as default, although you can use heavy or light noise reduction. But in that case, I will be using default, which I usually use when I edit my audio. Then we're gonna go down to amount, and as you can see, you've got this ramp where you can go from left to right. So I'm gonna put it on 0 and play the video so you can hear what's gonna happen. Absolutely nothing. Now we haven't reduced the noise, and when I move it, let's say to 50 or 60, I'm gonna move it to 60. I'm gonna play it again from the beginning, and straight away you can hear the difference. But let's see what it does to your voice when you increase the percentages. Background noise or background hiss, call it as you like, but that's probably the most annoying and most... Well, it's not the same as the original audio, but it's much better without background noise or background hiss. That's the first way how you can apply the denoise effect, and I'm gonna show you the second way how to do it. But before that, I'm just gonna delete it. So now we don't have the denoise effects on the audio track. Then I'm gonna go to audio, and from there, I'm gonna go up to audio track mixer. As you can see, now it looks normal, but if you click on this little arrow there, the look of the audio track mixer changed straight away. In this case, this is track number 1, audio track number 1. Then I'm gonna click on this arrow again, and from there I'm gonna go to noise reduction and restoration. From there I'm gonna go to the noise, and now we apply the denoise effects on audio track number 1. That means that automatically when you place a new video or new audio track, this denoise effect will apply to this audio track or video. Then if you want to have access to the graph where you can adjust the level of denoise effects, you have to click twice on it, and again you can see this graph in front of you. And as I show you in way number 1, again you can adjust the level of denoise effects from over here. And like that, you can remove the background noise or background hiss from your videos without going back and forth between Adobe Audition and Adobe Premiere Pro. It's super annoying sometimes, and it saves you a lot of time, and thank God that Adobe Premiere Pro have this effect. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you think that it helped you to resolve your problem, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you like to see more tutorials about Adobe Premiere Pro, you can check the videos at the end of this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.